In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve logarithms on the HP prime calculator. Well, to start, I will work in the CAS view. I'm in CAS, and Basten logarithms are quite simple to solve on the HP prime calculator. I can simply press the logarithm key here. Let's suppose I want to calculate the log of 125 in base 10. I just enter 125 here and press enter. It responded in exact mode. I can come here and click this BC key. And it gives me the answer, not in exact mode. Now let's do another logarithm. Let's suppose I want to calculate log of 175, also in base 10. The same thing. I click the BC key and it exits the exact modes. Another logarithm, natural logarithm of Euler. I will click here on natural logarithm. In this case, where is Euler? It's here, power is 1. It's 1. So the natural log of Euler's number is 1. And the natural log of 1 is 0. So, notice that the calculation of base 10 logarithm and natural logarithm is very simple on the HP prime calculator. Stay with me until the end of this video, as we will now calculate logarithms with a base other than 10. I'm sure you'll like it and find it super easy. So, I'm going to come here now to the mathematical models key to call up the logarithm of another base that is not 10. And these logarithms can be solved using the resolve command. I click here on the toolbox, go here to resolve, and go to resolve. It will call the solve command. I'll write then, here, go to the mathematical model key, click here, I'll come here. In this logarithm here, I click OK. The base is x. So, it's log of 8 base x, which is equal to 3, and I want to know the value of x. So, comma, my argument, x, I press enter, and it tells me it's 2. So, I come here now, I'm going to do another logarithm here. I can also use another command. I can go here to resolve, and zeros, and here I will write inside brackets, as if it were a vector, my logarithm. Logarithm then, with base x, logarithm of 1 over 16, which is equal to 2. I will exit the bracket, click comma, open another bracket, and write my argument. I want to calculate the value of x. I press enter. Click on ABC to exit the exact mode. But the easiest way to calculate this logarithm is really using resolve, because you don't have to write brackets. I'll do the last one here. G base will be 2. Here will be x. Log of x base 2 equals 5. X, and I press enter, and it shows me my result. Did you like it? If you did, give it a like, follow me on the channel, activate the bell to watch more videos about using the HP Prime calculator. Bye everyone.